Apples are one of my favorite fall fruit. They're nutritious, containing fiber, vitamin C, and potassium. They're versatile and have many varieties. I love them fresh off the tree or baked. Today I'm sharing slow-cooked baked apples. Begin by washing, quartering, and coring 6 large baking apples. Measure 3 tablespoons brown sugar, a half teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Sprinkle the cinnamon, nutmeg, and sugar over the apples and add to the slow cooker. The apples will cook for 4 hours on low or 2 hours on high. After the juice begins to form, stir once to distribute the spices. When time to serve, remove from the slow cooker and place in a serving bowl. These apples taste delicious, have very little added sugar, and can be used as a side dish, light dessert, or even breakfast. And making them in the slow cooker frees up your oven and stove for other holiday favorites. Enjoy!